Hey, what's going on, Jaxon? I am here for another video. You told me to build a computer, so I did. I recorded it once, and my audio doubled over, so it sounded like two of me, which is bad. So I'm doing this again, but there is good news. I have a new skin, and I built a computer like you want me to, but I have a new skin. I'll let you guess what it is real quick. Can you figure it out just from looking at the arm? Well, if you can't, I'm going to turn it this way so I can't show you with a computer yet. And I'm a hot dog. I'm a hot dog man. Hot dog! I got derpy eyes too. They're really far off to the side. I'm a happy hot dog man. And I'm here with my brethren, the pigs. Because hot dogs are made from pork. Which is pig. Anyways, so now that you can make fun of my skin. Oh, there it is. Never mind. I was going to make it bigger. Introduction to it. But here it is. Oh, I could fly. So here's the computer. Is it good? I don't think it's good. But you got one anyways. So this is also going to be my house. I'm going to play survival from inside of it. So I cannot fly. I'm going to pretend this is my house, build things, make things, play Minecraft from inside of here to outside of here. But yeah, this is the computer. I recorded that being built, so I will do a time lapse of that so you can watch it, so you can know that I built it. But like I said, this is this episode because you wanted this, and the next one, I don't know. You should probably tell me, or I'll make something up. And eventually we'll go find the end. But like I said in the other recording, the one I'm not using because the audio doubled up, we got to find the nether first. So until then, I'm going to play Minecraft from inside this computer on my computer. And so you can watch it through your computer. Oh, that breaks my brain. Anyways, see you next time. And like last time, listen to your mother always. I'll see you later, man. Bye.